G.L.A.M.s, it's your host again, Tanya with the G.L.A.M. Life, where I'll be providing complete beauty tips, techniques, and testimonials to reveal the glam in you. If you are new to this channel, please click that red subscribe button below. And once again, thank you for all my returning viewers, subscribers, as well as followers. Back here today with another hair grease video slash product demonstration. This one is going to be on the Softee Hair Food. I'm loving this product. Now, you all, the ones that have been subscribed to me for a while, know my two favorite words, and that is purse friendly. One of the things I love about these hair grease is that they're very purse friendly. This I picked up in the Walmart for about 99 cents, which is, you know, heaven to me. And I pretty much dove in it. As you all can see, I pretty much dove in it. Now, one of the drawbacks to this product is that it does smell kind of medicine-y. So if it kind of reminds me of Robitussin. It's like, by me smelling it, almost tastes like it smells like the aftertaste of Robitussin. I know that may be kind of like kind of hard to explain, but the smell I do not too much like. So that is a one thumbs down for this, is the smell. But the thumbs up about this is it gets the job done. The smell is just, whew, it gets the job done. It provides excellent sealant for the conditioner and also helps retain that moisture. Now, since I've been using the grease G.L.A.M.s, I'm telling you, look at this hair length. I am just loving this hair length. Now, I wear a uniform for my place of employment. We are required to wear uniforms. So my hair would normally be longer than what it is, but I constantly cut it. But right now, I'm just pretty much on a hair growth challenge. And I have to credit it, I must say, G.L.A.M.s to this hair grease. It's just causing it to retain that length, because one thing with natural hair does need moisture. So you do have to apply a conditioner, but I seal it back all in with the hair grease. And I'm loving this grease compared to my Blue Magic with the Sealing the Hair Food by the Softee. I would recommend. Now, I'm basically trying to get ready for bed after a long days of work. I'm going to go ahead and start getting unready. And as you all know, I pre-section my hair into twists. And yes, I twist my hair every night. I do not do the pineapple method where you pull all your hair to the top or the side of your head. That method does not work for me. It may work for you, but it may not. It does not work for me. So I do the twisting method. And my hair, as you all see, is pretty much pre-sectioned in these twists. And I'm just amazed with this length, and I credit it to the grease. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the Softee Hair Food, and you can see that on my finger, and I'm just going to start pretty much down the hair shaft on the ends, because the ends of your hair G.L.A.M.s is pretty much the oldest part of your hair, and I'm just going to work my way up the hair shaft. Now, one of the benefits I love about hair grease G.L.A.M.s is that it helps get out the shed hair that gets in my hair sometimes. I'm just going to put a little bit of oil on my scalp. It helps remove some of that shed hair, and which will come present on natural hair, because you do not detangle natural hair on a regular basis. Now, I'm just pretty much twisting, and as I go down, the shed hair is just coming out. So that's one of the benefits I do like about this hair grease. It helps me glide right through my hair with ease. I'm going to take another section. Take a little bit of the grease. Let's show you all that I am using the hair grease. Apply on the scalp. Take a little bit more. And the same thing, I'm just taking a little bit of grease going down the ends, as you all see, going down the ends of the hair, and I'm just working it up. And the smell, like I stated before, G.L.A.M.s is not the most pleasant of smell. It kind of like reminds me of the aftertaste of Robitussin. If you ever tasted the Robitussin and that medicine-y scent gets in your nose or whatever, that aftertaste, that's pretty much what the smell reminds me of. It's not pleasant, but it's not overbearing. It's not bad. it's not like a sulfurate smell. Now I don't like the smell of sulfurate. That smells, oh, you know, horrid to me. So I do not use the sulfur-aid hair greases as a result. They work though, but the smell is what I don't like. And just sectioning my hair like so. All right, as you all see again, just pretty much going down the hair shaft, down the hair shaft. Just applying that grease right down the hair shaft and just working my way up. And like I stated before, it just pretty much helps get all that shed hair out. And I'm just pretty much just applying a little bit on the scalp. And pretty much being that my hair is already pre-sectioned and pre-twisted, I don't have to like go through and section the hair as a result. And as I twist down G.L.A.M.s, the shed hair is just coming right out. And the makeup that I'm wearing today, for some of you all that may be wondering, is my no makeup look. I have a video that's out there now. I'm loving the look, loving the no makeup feel. Normally I go out all full glitz and glam, and lately I just been trying to be more on the natural side. So the grease that once again I do use on my hair, and just playing with it. I love to play and experiment with hair greases. So just taking a little bit and going down the scalp. Grab that hair. As you all see, just going down the hair shaft, working my way up, working my way up. And it's just getting out all the shed and tangled hair. Like you may see a strand right here. It's just getting out all this shed hair that does come present as a result of having natural hair. Now your hair is going to shed. I'm just going to go ahead and put that out there as a disclaimer. All the strands on your hair is going to shed at one point. You shed anywhere from 100 to 150 strands a day. Now, where you notice it may be a problem is if you have excess hair in the sink when you are styling, hair that may be coming out and down on your clothes. And how to tell whether it's not is shedding or breaking, you'll see a little white bulb at the end. So sometimes when I detangle my hair or whatnot, I just hold that strand up in the light. And if I see that little white bulb, I know that it is shedding. Now, if I don't see a white bulb, I know that it is breakage. Now, if I have several small broke off pieces, that means that my hair needs a little bit more strength and elasticity. So I put protein in there to help strengthen that hair strand. So just once again, just going through with the grease, and want to twist this part. And you all G.L.A.M.s, remember when you was little, how your grandmother, I know for me, my grandmother used to oil my scalp, and my God, I remember used to just falling asleep between her legs, and it was just so invigorating, and it was just like heaven. Miss those days. So I now do that with my baby girl. We go through the I go through and oil her scalp. Once again, just going down the hair shaft with the hair grease. And you all see this shed hair just coming out there. You all just see it's just coming right out. And that's one thing I love, because your hair, like I said, it is being natural. Your hair gets tangled and intertwined with other strands. So one of the benefits I like about the grease is it helps aid in detangling those strands. And this is pretty much G.L.A.M.s my nighttime hair routine. I'm kind of loving this Softee Hair Food grease. The smell, like I stated before, is not the most pleasant of smell, but I like it. Does get the job done. If you are new to hair greases, I do recommend that you try like a lighter weight hair grease. So I would recommend you trying the Softee before you try a heavier grease such as the Blue Magic. Now, I love my Blue Magic grease, especially for the winter months. If I'm looking for something that has helps with the extra moisture and as well as the extra lymph retention and whatnot to help hold all that in, a Blue Magic hair grease would be suffice. But without further ado, I do like the Softee Hair Food. I do recommend it. The smell is one of the major drawbacks to this, but overall, I'm loving the product. I pray that this helps. I'm going to have some links in the description box below that takes you to my previous hair grease videos. If you are new, please subscribe. Follow me on my Facebook at the G.L.A.M. Life 3117. I have a page there. Follow me out on my Instagram page at the G.L.A.M. Life 3117, as well as on my Twitter account at the G.L.A.M. Life 3117, and check out my new blog, the G.L.A.M. Life 3117.com. All right, G.L.A.M.s, this is all I have for you. Be blessed and be glamorous.